How to transfer Spotify playlist to eSound. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to transfer Spotify playlist to eSound. So first thing, just head over to your Spotify application and make sure you have created any of your playlist. As you can see, I've already created my playlist over here. So just make sure you have created your playlist and added some songs inside that playlist just like this. So once you do that, just head over to your Chrome browser or any of your browser. And once you're inside here, just search in for soundeeds.com and just head over to its official website. And then just tap on for start for free and sign in with your Spotify account. So now here use the same email and password which you used to log into your Spotify account. So once you logged into your Soundeeds account, and just tap on this personal account and wait for some time. And once you have successfully logged in, it will show you all of your available playlists, and you can select any one of them by simply clicking on this checkbox icon over here, and then just click on this transfer button at the top. And if you choose to transfer it to YouTube, you can simply click on confirm it, and once it gets converted to your YouTube playlist, your conversion should be success and it should show this message on your screen. And then you just have to head over to YouTube and find your playlist option over here and just click on this share button over here and just click on copy link. Once you copy the link, you just need to head back to your eSound application and open it and make sure you have successfully logged into your account. You can also click on register for free if you haven't already and sign up with using your Google account. So once you successfully logged into your account, just click on the search bar option over here and click on the search and just paste the link which you just copied from the YouTube and click on done, and it should open up all of your playlist over here and you can simply listen to it as your use. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.